Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a Whirlpool dishwasher that's not draining. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Check and run the disposal garbage. There could be debris and food scraps clogging the disposal garbage, thus preventing the dishwasher from draining. To fix this, clean using vinegar and water to ensure that the debris is washed away. Clean the drain hose. If the drain hose is kinked, bent, or clogged, your Whirlpool dishwasher may not have the capacity to drain. Remove the drain hose from the dishwasher and clean it. Follow the manufacturer's manual on how to remove it. Use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar to clean it. If it's kinked, you'll have to replace it. Replace the drain valve. The drain valve opens and closes during the washing process, allowing water to exit from the dishwasher. If it's faulty, water won't exit the dishwasher. Test for continuity in the valve using a multimeter and have it replaced if there's no continuity. And that's it. Fixing a Whirlpool dishwasher that won't drain is just that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.